People often wonder, does Beforepay charge hidden fees? It's a common question when you're looking for a quick and easy financial solution. You want to know exactly what you're getting into, with no surprises. So, let's break it down and get straight to the facts about Beforepay's fee structure. Beforepay is a pay-on-demand service. It's designed to give you instant access to a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. Unlike a traditional loan, it doesn't charge interest. Instead, it has a single, fixed transaction fee. That fee is a flat 5% of the amount you cash out. This means if you access $100, the fee is $5. You pay back a total of $105. If you need $300, the fee is $15, and you repay $315. The fee is always a percentage, and it's always clearly displayed before you confirm your transaction in the app. So, are there any hidden fees? According to Beforepay's own information and numerous user reviews, the answer is no. There are no late fees, no ongoing account fees, and no interest charges. The 5% transaction fee is the only cost for using the service to get a pay advance. They state that the app's budgeting and spending insight tools are completely free to use. It's important to understand how this differs from other financial products. For example, some payday loans can have establishment fees of up to 20% and monthly fees of 4%. Beforepay's model is designed to be a transparent and, in many cases, a cheaper alternative to those high-cost options. One thing to be aware of, which isn't a hidden fee but is a key part of the service, is that you can't get another cash advance until you've fully repaid your current one. This is part of their responsible lending policy to prevent you from getting into a cycle of debt. In short, when you use Beforepay, what you see is what you get. The 5% fee is a one-time charge for each pay advance you take out, and there are no other unexpected costs. It's a straightforward model built on transparency, which is a big part of its appeal for users who want to avoid the financial jargon and hidden charges that can come with other services.